In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by multiple columns of data in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a list of contacts, sorting through inventory data, or anything in between, knowing how to organize your data efficiently can be a game changer. So let's dive in and make your data management a breeze. First, we need to start by selecting all the data you want to sort. You can simply click and drag your mouse over the cells, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A if you want the whole sheet. It might seem basic, but starting with the right selection ensures you don't miss out on anything vital. Once your data's highlighted, move your mouse to the top menu and look for Data. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, find and click on Sort Range. At this stage, you'll need to ensure Google Sheets understands the structure of your data. If your selection includes header rows, such as names, dates, or categories, check the box labeled Data has header row. This way, Google Sheets won't treat your headers as just another row of data, and you can refer to your columns by name when sorting, which is much clearer. Next, we're getting into the sorting part itself. First, you need to select the column you want to prioritize in your sorting. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the column that should be sorted first. Say, for instance, you have a list of student data. You could choose to sort first by their class level, grouping students by their year or grade. Once you've made your first choice, look on the right for the handy option that says Add another sort column. Click it. This feature is where Google Sheets really shines, allowing you to sort by additional criteria. Now you can add another layer of organization to your data. So following our student example, you might want to next sort by their major. By doing so within each class level, the students will be organized by their chosen field of study, making it easier to analyze the data structure. With your sorting columns all set, the final step is straightforward. Just click Sort and watch as Google Sheets rearranges the data just as you've directed. At first glance, it might look like only small changes, but with organized data, drawing insights or finding information becomes less of a challenge. So there you have it, your information now neatly structured according to your specific needs. Sorting data by multiple columns not only improves readability, but also makes any future data operations more efficient. Practice this method a couple of times, and repetitive sorting will become second nature, saving you time and reducing errors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to explore more of our tips and tricks to make the most of your spreadsheet endeavors.